Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome if you're new here, or welcome back. This is a silent night evening meditation for calm and peace. So, let's take a moment to gently settle in to a comfortable position, be it seated or lying down. Rest your hands wherever they feel more comfortable. And allow your eyes to close or soften your gaze. There is nothing you need to do and nowhere you need to go. Today may have been full, busy, or even emotionally loud. And for these next few minutes, you are invited to step out of all of that. Tonight, let this be your silent night, a moment of peace just for you. Begin by noticing your breath, just as it is. No need to change it. Simply observe the gentle rise and fall. Now slowly inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth, allowing the body to soften, letting go of tension, letting go of the day. And again, let's inhale gently and exhale, letting your shoulders relax, your jaw soften, unclench your forehead, and imagine with each out breath, imagine the day slowly loosening its grip. Your brow smooths, your hands unclench, and your jaw softens. You are safe to rest now. Let your breath come back to its natural rhythm, finding an easy and calm, slow, natural breath. No need to force it. Imagine the world around you beginning to quiet. Not because everything is perfect, or because you no longer need to hold it all, but just like a silent night where there is softness in the air, a gentle stillness all around. Nothing is rushing you. Nothing is asking anything of you. If thoughts arrive, let them drift past, like distant sounds fading into the night. You don't need to follow them. Simply return to the feeling of quiet within. Even if the world outside feels busy, your inner night can be calm and silent. Now imagine yourself resting in this quiet. Nothing you need to do, nothing you need to protect. For this moment, you are held by the stillness itself. Like the night wrapping gently around the world. The stars above, the calm surrounds you. Allow yourself to lean into it, to soften even more deeply. If your body needs rest, let it rest. If your heart needs comfort, let it receive. Here in this silent night, you are supported, safe, and you are allowed to simply be. Now allow yourself to rest here. Less effort, fewer words, simply breathing, being and resting. Let silence work. As this meditation comes to an end, beautiful souls, know that this quiet is something you can return to anytime you need. Not even just the evening, it could be any time of the day. So let the calm that you've created, let this go with you into the rest of your evening and into your sleep. May your night be gentle. May your heart feel at peace. And whenever you're ready, bring your awareness back to the room around you, keeping this sense of stillness within you. Wiggle your fingers and toes and gently open your eyes. Sense the calmness within. And I will see you in the next one. Rest for now, And if you enjoyed this meditation, remember to like, subscribe. I would love for you to comment. I love reading comments, they really touch my heart. So if you would love to leave a comment about how you feel, if you feel more rested or just slightly calmer, please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear. I will see you in the next one.